Next asana, Pirayasana. Your both leg, 2 feet cap, catch your hip, bending backward. Inhale, breathe, backward. Listen, this one, backward. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. One more, repeat, backward. Inhale, breathe, bending your back. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Relax. 2 times inhale, breathe and exhale, breathe out. Okay. Next asana, Pada Hestasana. Forward asana. Joint your both leg. First pose. Second pose. Raise your both hand. Ear touch. Next. Third pose. Bending forward. Exhale. Deep breath. Breathe out. Head down. Straight your knees. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Up, inhale, breathe. Relax. One more, repeat. Joint your both leg. Raise your both hand, ear touch. Bending forward, exhale, breathe. Forward bend, exhale, breathe. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. Straight your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, breathe. Okay. Next asana. This asana is Pada Hestasana. Next asana, Nindra Yega Padasana. Next asana, Nindra Yega Padasana. Join your both legs. First pose, full balance your right leg. Bending your left leg. Straight your back. With your both hands ear touch. Namaskar pose. Welcome pose. Both hands ear touch. Straight your back. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. This asanas name Nindra Yega Padasana. Very important. Your memory power increases. Okay. Next. Full balance your left leg. Bending your right leg. Straight your back. Straight your both hands. Both hands get touch. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. This asana name Indra Ega Pada. Okay. Next asana, Utkatasana, stair pose. So both leg 1 feet cap. Both leg 1 feet. First pose. Second pose. For both hands just place. Next, third pose. Half sitting pose. Straight your back. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. 2 times inhale and exhale, breathe. Both nostrils. One more, repeat. Utkatasana, sharp. Kneel down. Up, sitting pose. Hold normal strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. 2 times inhale and exhale both nostrils. Okay, relax. Sitting pose. Relax your both legs. And then back. Fingers toe. Next your foot, Clark roll. Right hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next asana, Pada Konasana. Pose, butterfly pose. Join your foot, catch, straight your back. This butterfly pose. 10, 5 counts. 1, straight your back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next pranayama. Sun pranayama, moon pranayama, and anulom vilomam pranayama. Okay. Now practice moon pranayama in Padmasana pose. Lotus pose. Padmasana or Apadmasana or Sukhasana. Anyone comfortable sitting pose? Okay. Next, your left hand, Thin Mudra. Index finger in thumb finger touch. Your left hand. Straight your left hand. Straight your back. Next, your right hand. Now practice Ruhi Mudra. This all pranayama. Practice only your right hand. Ruhi Mudra. Ruhi Mudra. In close the index and middle finger. Your right hand or hitting hand. Close the index and middle finger. This mudra's name Ruhi Mudra. Your left hand Shin Mudra and your right hand Ruhi Mudra. Okay, now practice and moon pranayama. Your right hand thumb finger, close your right nostril and practice only your left nostril. 3 seconds inhale, breathe, and 6 seconds exhale, slowly breathe. Repeat for 5 times only your left nostril. Only left nostril, 3 seconds breathe and 6 seconds breathe out. This pranayama's name, moon pranayama. केवल पाया नाक से 3 सेकेंड श्वास लीजिए और 6 सेकेंड श्वास छोड़िए. 5 बार केवल पाया नाक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next pranayama, sun pranayama. You are only your right hand. Right hand, ring finger. Close your left nostril, straight your back, and breathe out your right nostril. 3 seconds inhale, breathe, and 6 seconds exhale, slowly breathe out. Repeat your right nostril 5 times. पाया नाक से 3 सेकेंड श्वास लीजिए और 6 सेकेंड श्वास छोड़िए. 5 बार केवल पाया नाक. உங்க வலது நாசி வழியாக 3 வினாடி மூச்சை உள்ள இழுத்து 6 வினாடி மூச்சை வெளியே. இந்த பிராணாயாம பேரு சூரிய பிராணாயாமம். This pranayama's name sun pranayama. Straight your back. 2, left hand, straight your left hand. 3, 5, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स और बोथ लेग, आराम कीजिए। नेक्स्ट प्राणायाम अनुलोम विलोमम प्राणायाम, अनुलोम and vilomam pranayam. Tamil in Nadi Suti pranayama, in English Surya Peda and Sandra Peda, Surya Peda and Sandra Peda. In both nostrils, already your single nostril, left nostril and moon pranayama, right nostril breathing breath out, sun pranayama. This one Anulom Vilomam, alternate nostril, left nostril breath and right nostril breath out. Right nostril inhale deep breath, left nostril 6 seconds exhale breath out. Repeat over 5 times. Okay, now practice any for comfortable sitting pose. Padmasana or Apadmasana or Sukhasana. Anyone comfortable sitting. Okay. Next, first pose Padmasana or Sukhasana or Apadmasana. Anyone sitting pose. Second pose, your left hand Sin Mudra. Next, that pose, your right hand Ruhi Mudra. Close the index and leave. Next, fifth pose, your right nostril touching. Next, stick your left nostril 3 seconds inhale, breathe. Close your left nostril, ring finger, right nostril 6 seconds, slowly breathe out. Right nostril 3 seconds inhale, breathe. And left nostril 6 seconds exhale, slowly breathe out. This one count. Repeat 5 counts. Left nostril 3 seconds, right nostril 6 seconds. Next, right nostril 3 seconds inhale, left nostril 6 seconds exhale. Repeat of 5 times. Anulom Vilomam pranayama. Straight your left hand, straight your left hand, straight your back. Three, four, five. Relax, relax for both legs. Relax for both legs. Last pranayama, Anulom Vilomam pranayama. Tamil Nadi Suti. Already this pranayama, your body 72,000 nervous and 72,000 nervous in blood circulation. This pranayama, Anulom Vilomam. Daily your practice and 72,000 nervous in blood circulation. Or all parts in blood circulation. Important this pranayama. Next one in your body heat and cold and equal pranayama. This one both are equal. This pranayama, Anulom Vilomam pranayama. Next, yoga mudra. Next practice, yoga mudra. Okay. Now comfortable sitting pose. Padmasana or Apadmasana or Sukhasana. Any one or comfortable sitting. This one first pose. Next, second pose. Your both hand backward. Next, that pose. Bending forward. Exhale, breathe. Sit down. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. 3 times. One more, repeat. Both them backward. Bending forward, exhale, breathe. Sit down. Hold normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Repeat. Last one more. Bending forward. Exhale, breathe. Slowly bending forward. Hold a normal breath. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Relax. Relax your both legs. This mudra's name, Yoga Mudra. This Yoga Mudra daily or practice in diabetes relief important, and diabetes and cholesterol relief important. Reduce your stomach and cholesterol. Also, this very important. This mudra, Yoga Mudra. Next practice this asana. Next asana's name, Patsi Motasana. Next asana's name, Patsi Motasana. Stand on both legs. Raise your both legs. First pose. Second pose. Raise your both hands. Raise your both hands here. Take. Third pose. Bending forward. Exhale. Breathe. Hold normal breath. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Repeat 3 times. Bending forward, exhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up, inhale, breathe. Last one more. Down, exhale, breathe. Hold normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight your knees. 5. Up, inhale, breathe. Relax. Relax your both legs. This asana's name, Patti Motasana. Next, Kriya. Kapalabhati Kriya. Next practice in Kapalabhati Kriya. Kapala means skull. Pati means in cleaning in power. Very important. To cold problem really important. This Kapalabhati Kriya. Okay. Throat problem, cough problem really important. This Kapalabhati Kriya. In nostril cleaning your nose or inside your parts in cleaning this Kriyas, Kapalabhati Kriya. You are sitting comfortable pose, Padmasana or Apadmasana, anyone sitting. Okay. This one first, straight your back. Next, your both hand, Shin Mudra. Both hand, Shin Mudra. Second pose. Third pose, head down. Next, fourth pose, both nostril. 1 second breathe. 1 second slowly breathe. 3 seconds deep breathe out. Repeat over 5 times. Close your mouth. Straight your back. Your both hands straight. Both nostrils. 1 second breathe. 3 seconds deep breathe out. Head down. Any your phone, any your kerchief. Okay. Cleaning your nose. And repeat. In cold only, remove. Kerchief use. No cold problem, no kerchief. Okay. And daily your practice, no cold problem. And empty stomach morning, your empty stomach only your practice. No cold. Okay. Repeat 3 times. One second breathe, 3 seconds deep breath out. Kapalabhati Kriya. For sitting. Next one Kriya. Pastriya Kriya. Next Kriya's name. Next practice with Kriya. One Kriya. Kriya's name. Pastrika. Pastrika. Important. Your inhale breathe and exhale breathe out. This Kapalabhati Kriya, only exhale breathe out. Only exhale. This one Kapalabhati. Pastrika Kriya. Inhale deep breath, exhale breathe out. This one Pastrika Kriya. Okay, now practice in Pastrika Kriya and Pastrika Kapalabhati Kriya and cold Kriya. Pastrika Kriya, heat Kriya. This Pastrika Kriya, Kapalabhati Kriya, and summer time your practice your good benefits in Kapalabhati. And winter time, this Pastrika Kriya, extra your practice in your body in heat decrease. This one Pastrika. Kapalabhati in cold pranayama, cool pranayama. Okay, now practice in Pastrika pranayama. Your comfortable sitting pose. Both hands in mudra. Next, head down. Straight your back. Both hands straight. Your both nostril. Inhale deep breath and exhale deep breath out. Repeat your 10 times. Inhale deep breath and exhale breath. Inhale breath and exhale. Okay? Daily your morning time practice and cleaning your inside part. And all parts in blood circulation important is Kriya. Kapala Pastrika Kriya. This Kriya's name Pastrika Kriya. Okay. Relax your both legs. Next one asana, Marjari asana. Asana's name Marjari asana. This pose is fish pose. This is mean pose. This one asana's name Majjasana. Asana's name Majjasana. Asana's name Majjasana. Poses fish poses. Now practice in Majjasana. This one Hindi wala Majili pose. Okay, very important. This asana in back pain relief. Okay, your self practice this Majjasana. Now your first time your practice any your back pain, any heavy back pain. This one no self practice your pain and easy your practice yourself. Your easy any your heavy back pain and relief important simple method. This one therapy yoga. Okay, in your pillow. This one your pillow. Okay. First, straight your both legs straight. Okay. Next, your pillow in back side. In roll your pillow. Okay. Next, your head down, bending your back. You're bending your back, your both hand, your thighs neck, your thighs stretch. Okay. Close your mouth in fourth nostril. Inhale, breathe and exhale, breathe out. Okay, relax. This one back pain relief important. Your self practice. This one helping your pillow. Now your practice your self practice. For 1 week this pillow practice after your self practice. Okay, your self practice in sleeping pose. Okay, this one first pose. Second, raise your head, bending your back. This you are bending your back. Next, your thighs. Inhale, breathe and exhale, breathe out. Or you're helping this one. your both hands. Any no balance with this one, to full balance your both hands in L4. Okay, L4. Raise your head, bend your back. Inhale, breathe, and exhale, breathe out. Relax. This one Machasana. Okay, now I friend said I have practice. Okay, this one. Okay, this one first goes. This is both them in ear net. You're bending your both them. Next, your head you're bending. Or your catch. For first time your balance. Close your eyes, close your mouth, your both nostril, inhale and exhale. Okay. Slowly relax. This asana is named Machasana, Majili pose. And correct pose. This one basic pose. This Machasana is a basic pose. And full and pose. Your practice in tomorrow. Okay, now I am me only your practice in Padmasana's pose. Now full in Machasana's pose, Majili pose. Okay, this one Majili pose. Then you catch your thumb finger, your both hand in L4, and close your mouth. In both nostrils, inhale and exhale, breathe. Relax. These asanas are Machasana. Very, very important. Your back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain really important. Daily your practice, no back pain, neck pain. These asanas are Machasana, Majili pose. Okay. Relax your both legs. Okay. Next asana, Pirayasana. Next asana, Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is Cobra pose, in snake pose. Keep backward, bending your back in prone position. Prone position. Join your both legs. Join your both legs join. Your both hand in shoulder length. Your both hand, this one. In still floor type. Okay, this one starting pose. Ready? Okay, see the position. And your both nostrils. Inhale, breathe, raise your head, raise your chest, bending your back. See upper C. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Down, exhale, breath. Slowly down. Close that. Raise your chest. Inhale, breathe, bending your back, backward. Hold normal breath, 5 counts. Join your both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your both hands, fingers in joint. Spin leg. Relax your both legs. Relax. 10 counts. I counting in 10 counts. And relax your body. Relax your mind in prone position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, kicking. Your both hands catch your chin. Next, your both legs. Sometimes both legs. 10 times. 1, 2. Your chin, your thumb, your fingers may touch your chin in fingers touch. And both legs in kicking. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Okay, relax, relax. For 5 counts, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next asana, Salabhasana. Today your practice is going to strength in Salabhasana. Okay, your both hands are inside your thighs, inside your thighs. You can close your hand finger, your thighs in 15 close joint or both legs. Okay, this one, first pose. Second pose. Your right leg, your chin in floor touch. Your chin is floor touch. Raise your right leg, straight your right leg. 5 count. Hold normal press. Raise your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Down. Next, left leg. Raise your left leg. 5 counts. Straight your left leg. 1, 2, chin in floor touch. 3, 4, 5. This asana's name, Salabhasana. Very important. Your kidney strength power. One more repeat. Right leg, raise your right leg, 45 degree. 1, 2, chin in floor touch. 3, 4, 5. Next, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. For both. One more. Okay, relax. Relax. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So sitting pose. Sitting pose. Relax. Next asana, Vakrasana. Next asana's name, Vakrasana. Your back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, really important. Asana's name, Vakrasana. Okay, now practice Vakrasana. First, straight your both legs. This one, first pose. Okay, next, second pose. Your left leg, your right side. Your left leg in right side. Okay, put in right side. Second pose. Third pose. Your right hand in left side. Your left hand, first your left hand in back side. Your right hand. Catch your right hand, right leg knees. Touch this one. And backward. Your shoulder in back. Twisting your back. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next. Right side. Turn your right side. Okay, but right leg. Your left side. Bending your left side. Next, your right hand. Back side. And your left hand. Catch your left knee. This one. Okay. Next. Turn your right side. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. This asana's name, Vakrasana. Okay, I am one time repeat this Vakrasana. Okay. First, your right leg, left side. Okay. This one, first pose. Next, your right hand, back side. Next, your left hand, your right side, your left knee, catch. Your left knee, catch. Next, hand right side. 5 counts. Hold normal breath. This asana, Vakrasana. Back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain relief important. And cholesterol relief. And diabetes very important. And this asana. And strength power important. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Your left leg, right side. Next, your left hand, your back side. Next, your right hand, catch your right knee. Your right hand, right knee catch. Right leg knees catch. And stand your left side. See the shoulder. 5 counts. 1, 2, straight your back. 2, and twisting your body. 3, 4, 5. Relax your both legs. This asanas name Vagrasana. Very, very important. This Vagrasana. This full and pose Artha Machendrasana. There is full pose Artha Machendrasana. Next class you will practice Machendrasana. This one Machendrasana. This one Machendrasana. Next class and practice your Machendrasana. Now only your Vagrasana. Okay? Relax. Next asana, Vajrasana, diamond pose. Okay, now practice in Vajrasana pose for 8 times. Starting pose for left leg or right leg, any one leg is in bending. Next, another leg. In thighs, join your thighs, take your back. Any your leg pain, this Vajrasana you will practice. Any I am practicing first time I practice your leg pain. I have joint pain, sir. This one simple method. Any no pain, your simple method. This one any pain and simple method. This one pillow. This Vajrasana pose one pillow. Okay. This your foot in down. This one. This one sitting. No leg pain. This any pain. This Vajrasana pose and full leg pain. This one pillow. Any pillow use this pose and sitting pose Vajrasana. Any 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. This Vajrasana is practice. No pain. This one pillow. Okay. Okay. Your self practice or any pillow. This Vajrasana pose. Close your eyes. Okay, next Vajrasana pose. Now you are practice in Vajrasana pose in Mudra, Anjali Mudra. Now one Mudra is practiced in Anjali Mudra. Okay, this one Vajrasana pose. Now practice in Anjali Mudra. Okay, Vajrasana your comfortable sitting pose. Okay, right? In first pose. Next, 5 fingers in Anjali Mudra. Practice Panchabhuta. First, your first in little finger. In mouth down. This one little finger. Next, ring finger. Your mouth upper. Touch. Next, middle finger. Your nose will touch. Your nose will upper touch. Next, in thumb finger. Close your ear. Thumb finger. Close your ear. Next, index finger. Close your eyes. This one Shanmukhi Mudra. Okay, I am counting your 10 counts in meditation pose. Shanmukhi Mudra in meditation pose. Normal breath. Close your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Breath is normal breath. This nose will touch this one middle finger. Okay, no, close your nose. And your touch only your right, your middle finger in touch your nostril only. Okay? 4, 5, 6, 10. Relax. Relax your both legs. Relax your both legs. Relax your both legs. Next asana, cat pose, Marjari asana. Next asana, cat pose, Marjari asana. Cat is Pune. In Hindi, Pilli, Pilli pose. Kneel down. This one feet. Your knees there. Back 1 feet. Tap. Next, front side 2 feet. Your knees near 1, 2, 2 feet. Okay, this one 2 feet. Next, up, inhale, breathe, bending your back. Down, exhale, breathe out. In your skin, your chest touch and rise your stomach. Up, inhale, breathe, bending your back. Down, exhale, breathe out. Repeat your 10 times. 1, 2, 3, slowly practice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax your both legs. Next asana, Pavana Uttasana. Half Pavana Uttasana. Next asana is half Pavana Uttasana. So sleeping pose. Line your both legs. Next, straight your both left leg straight, bending your right leg. Left leg straight, bending your right leg. Catch your right leg. Your knees catch. Straight your left leg. Next, third pose, right your head. Your shoulder 45 degree right. Your skin, your knee tight. Hold a normal breath. 5 count. Half Pavana Uttasana. Normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, head down. Straight your left, right leg. Next, bending your left leg. Catch your left leg, head down. Next, bend your right leg. Raise your shoulder 45 degree. Your shin, your left knee touch. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head down. Repeat daily for a 10 count for 5 times. Daily or practice to know for a first star. Next, both legs. In bending your both legs, catch your both legs. Raise your buttock 45 degrees. Raise your shoulder 45 degrees. Your skin touch for the normal breath. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Sit down. Straight your legs. Relax. Next, half Pavana Uttasana. Next, practice Pavana Uttasana. Now practice half Pavana Uttasana. Next, practice in Pavana Uttasana. Okay, you go turn in L4. Maybe your next, you catch your fingers. Straight your back. Next, backward. Inhale, breathe. Front, exhale, breathe. Backward slowly. Inhale. Exhale, breathe. Okay, backward slowly. Repeat or five times. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, breathe. Relax. Relax your body. Last asana, Sandhi asana. In Savasana, sleeping pose. In death pose, Savasana. Relax your body. Your both hand upper knee in floor touch. Close your eyes. Close your mouth. Relax your body. Don't movement your body. Normal breath. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Asanas mein Shanti Asana. I counting 10 count in Shanti Asana. I slowly count. 1. Relax. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Bind your both legs. Raise your right hand. Move the body aside in right side. Move the body aside right. Straight your back. Straight your both legs straight. Hold a normal breath. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your eyes, straight your back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sitting pose. Right hand push and sitting pose. Straight your back. Normal sitting pose. Both hands. Head to leg in forming. 3 times. Close your eyes. Your face there. Your both hands. Your plum upon your head. Slowly. Thank you. Today class. Please next tomorrow for yoga class 5 o'clock tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you very thank you. Okay. Any your doubt? Today class any your doubt?
No doubt.
Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow
Thank you.
practice your yoga class. Thank you.